Hello everyone, this is Katie with Homeschooling for His Kingdom. I wanted to jump on and quickly share with you what we did this past weekend on a Saturday and how I counted it for school. So if you are local to the North Florida, towards the ocean side, Jacksonville area, this might be a little more helpful, but even if you are not in Florida, maybe you can find a similar group that does these kind of activities. So the group here in the Jacksonville area is called Extreme Outdoor Enterprises, LLC. And the gal who's in charge is called Patty Foster. I texted her and asked if I could share her information, and she said yes. So I'm going to go ahead and put her number down below. But you can follow them on Facebook and see what they're up to next. But annually, she prepares this huge event, and it was Saturday. So what they had for us was a scavenger hunt, nature crafts, kayaking on a little lake there. They had archery, which both my son and daughter, Zach and Taylor, loved. They really did a good job too. Fishing, and I think Zach caught 3 fish. He was able to throw them back. You know, they didn't keep them, but it was really fun. Pie iron cooking. They had a gal there teaching the girls, signed up for that class, and they taught you how to make savory and sweet dishes by the coals. They had an air gun range, and then a beekeeping information on how to keep bees. So it was just amazing. Everybody was so kind. It sounded like she brought people in from hours away from the Jacksonville area. Not all of these people were local, but as she introduced each person or couple, a lot of them had just a lot of experience in these areas. They were kind of experts, so they could teach the kids carefully how to do all these things. So, but of course the parents were invited. They had lunch for us there. They had like a truck there that gave us really good food. It was just a wonderful day to be with the kids, be outside, kind of get our feet wet with some of this stuff. And there was so much learning that I counted it as a school day. And the kids loved it. They could care less what I was calling it, but they were learning like crazy. So I wanted to share their information, especially if you're local. She said this is kind of a bigger event, so she may not be able to do such a big event unless she would have a lot of interest. But if you are interested, she said you can follow them on Facebook or give her a call or text. But if you are not in Florida, maybe this will just give you guys a good idea. If you are good in any of these things, and maybe you can partner with some families in the area, maybe you guys can put on your own event like this. It was just phenomenal. I mean, we even prayed before we ate the meal. Everyone was just so kind and encouraging. She had raffles to give away stuff over lunch for the kids. Anyways, she's just a sweetheart, and I just wanted to encourage you guys to maybe try something like this in your area and to kind of think outside the box for school days too. They don't always have to be book learning. So anyways, hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. I'll talk to you later. God bless you.